What's going on, everyone? This video brings us from home. We are looking at a traffic camera, I-95 southbound at the Vine Street Expressway. We have a vehicle that is flipped on its side right here on the ramp to the start of the westbound Vine Street Expressway. The vehicle has completely flipped over. It's in the right lane. We have about 5 vehicles that have decided to stop here and help and get the person that is trapped in this vehicle out. This is a serious situation. Again, it's I-95 South at the start of the Vine Street Expressway. It's the ramp going from 95 to the Vine. It's in the right lane. Traffic is backed up. It's backed up to just about almost onto I-95. As you can see, the police are just arriving. Other emergency personnel, fire department, ambulances will be arriving soon. You're going to want to use caution in this area and expect delays. This is probably going to be out there for at least the next hour because the person needs to be ejected from the vehicle. And then the vehicle is going to need to be uprighted and towed away. Hopefully the person is okay. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button down below.